Hola caracoles y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Cori, I am Cori, and I am one of the teachers here at Spring Spanish. Wait, espera. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Oh, let me tell you, it is time to learn how to give the time in Spanish. Comencemos. Let's start. Learning how to ask for the time is very useful. Yes, I know most of us have un teléfono, a phone, o un reloj, a watch. But if you are asked what time is it or qué hora es, you will absolutely want to learn what to respond, right? In Spanish, we have two ways at least to ask for the time. La primera, the first one, will be ¿qué hora es? What time is it? And you can also say ¿tiene hora? Or ¿tienes hora? That depends if you're going to use the formal or informal you. But you can check a video in our channel about this. Also, and before we go any further and I forget about it, let me clarify a couple of things for you. The word tiempo, time, in Spanish also refers to the weather. So, el tiempo está lluvioso, which means the weather is, it's rainy. But no te preocupes, don't worry. We never use it to actually ask for the time. You'll see. Now, let's go back to telling the time. In Spanish, we have two ways to answer that. So we say es la una, or we can also say son las dos. Pero no es complicado. It is not difficult. Let me explain you. In Spanish, we say es la una, and we use the feminine article la because it's feminine, la hora, and we use it in singular because it's only one. From 2 p.m. on, we're going to say son or they are. If somebody asks, ¿qué hora es? What time is it? Then, nosotros decimos, we say, son las 5. It is 5 o'clock. Or, ¿qué hora tienes? What time is it? For more specific times of the day, let's learn mediodía, noon. Noon or midday in Spanish is mediodía. It literally means a half day, and we can use it in sentences like la hora más calurosa es el mediodía. The warmest time is at midday. For midnight, in Spanish we say medianoche. Remember, día is masculine, noche is feminine. So we say la medianoche. And we can use it in sentences such as la fiesta termina a medianoche. Boo! Anyway, the party finishes at midnight. Nota importante, important notes. Before mediodía or midday, we will always say de la mañana or AM. And after midday, we will say de la tarde or PM. The literal translation will be of the afternoon, of course. And we also say de la noche, of the night. Veamos algunos ejemplos. Let's see some examples. Son las 3 de la tarde. It is 3 p.m. Es la 1:15 de la mañana. It is 1:15 at morning. Son las 11:30 de la noche. It is 11:30. Por supuesto, of course, we also want to learn how to say la hora exacta, the exact time. In English, it is said 10 past 6. But in Spanish, we say first the hour, 6, plus the number of minutes, 10. Veamos otro ejemplo. Let's see another example. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 4:20. Hour plus minutes. But of course, like everything in Spanish, there are some exceptions. Let's see them. So first, when it's 15 minutes past the hour, then we say hour plus y cuarto, or en the quarter. Of course, you can also say son las 4:15. It is 4:15, and everybody will understand. Veamos otro ejemplo. Let's see another example. Es la 1:15. It is 1 past a quarter. That would be kind of the translation. The second, when it's half an hour, then we say hour plus y media. Veamos, let's see. Son las 5:30. Or it is 5:30 minutes. Son las 5:30 minutos. Remember, you can use both formulas, both are correct. The third is, when it's past 40 minutes, something happens. We take the numbers of minutes left to the whole hour and we say, son 20 para las 7. It is 20 minutes to 7 o'clock. Yes, you can also say it is 6:40 or 6:40. Todo el mundo te entenderá. Everybody will understand you. And last, when it's 1:45. Veamos, let's see. Son cuarto para las 12. It is 11:45 or is 15 minutes before 12. Other example is son cuarto para las 8. Is 7:45. Or son las 7:45. It is 7:45. If you think you need a little bit of help remembering los números, then you can always go and check our other video in our channel. Vamos, ven, let's go. ¿Listo para darme la hora? Ready to give me the time? Let's see algunos ejemplos. Some examples. Tengo una cita con el dentista a mediodía. I have a dentist appointment at midday. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 3:15. What time is it? It is 3:15. Yo me levanto a correr a las 6 de la mañana. I wake up and go running at 6 a.m. Mi hermana siempre duerme después de la medianoche. My sister always goes to sleep after midnight. Muy bien. So, ¿qué hora es? Here it is las 8 de la noche, 8 p.m. But now you can also tell me ¿qué hora es? What time is it in the country you are living? And tell me the country also. I love traveling, so gracias. Now, if you want to learn more, please feel free to go to our channel and check more of my videos or from my colleagues, the other Spring Spanish teachers in our Spanish Beginners channel. Now, if you are ready to take it a step further and you're taking serious this about learning Spanish, why don't you go to our website to learn the methods we use to have you speaking Spanish super rápido, super fast. There, you will also find some free samples for some Spanish lessons. So, thank you so much. Muchas gracias. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely did. So, hasta la vista y gracias totales. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share the video with your friends.